gone. This home. Back there. I'll be back. Oh. It's okay right now. It's okay. I don't know, babe. I love you. What do you want? I'm gonna go back at the neighbor's house.
Okay.
What do you think that side's better?
I don't know. Do whatever you can.
Okay. Is a fire in the back? No, it's off the reflected. All right, I love you. I'm gonna go back to the neighbor's house. Love you.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh wow, it's back there.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Alright, for real, Skipper, stop. Let's go.
USA California wildfire.
They got the lights on inside, you see it?
Yeah,
People left their lights everywhere.
look at that one.
I don't know, Mommy. I'm fucking gone. We're gonna go to Kate's, okay?
Not help me. They said, "Oh, is your house on fire?" I said, "All the shrubbery is, so I can't even leave the house." And they just wouldn't even come. So I'm just letting you know, they just ignored me and they said there's nothing they can do. They have a lot of problems right now. So this is our house right now, okay?
Guys, it's now 9:10 p.m. I'm just spraying down the house a little bit
and then I'm gonna leave in about a couple minutes right now. This fire is getting intense and it's getting down to the houses. Wish us luck, guys.
You guys, check this out. I'm out here in Pasadena. This is insane. It's hot. I feel hot. Oh. My goodness. Glendale area. It's white in Glendale? Oh shit. There's a new fire here. That's shit, and this is all just dusted. I'm surprised I can't smell this at all right now. Holy shit. The sky is just darkness. Mira qué bonito, que beautiful, this is beautiful, this is amazing, this is incredible. Look at the light. Oh my God, this is life. This is life. I want to live more. I want